The Epson SureColor T2170 plotter printer delivers crisp, technical drawings and posters with impressive precision, thanks to its advanced PrecisionCore printhead and high-resolution output. Its wide-format capability, up to 24 inches, and support for both roll media and cut sheets make it a flexible choice for architects, engineers, and designers working with large documents. Print speeds are genuinely quick for this class, turning out full A1 or D-size sheets in well under a minute, which helps keep project workflows moving smoothly. The pigment-based UltraChrome XD2 ink set produces dense blacks and vivid colors that dry almost immediately and hold up well to handling in busy office environments. A large color touchscreen and straightforward setup process make the printer approachable even for less technical users, while wireless and Wi-Fi direct connectivity simplify printing from laptops, tablets, and phones. Despite its wide format capabilities, the machine has a compact, clean industrial design that fits comfortably on a desktop or small stand without overwhelming the workspace.